Guys, this is the latest update about the UK Health and Care Visa. A lot of you have been coming to me asking me questions upon questions about what is really happening with your COS being delayed, care visas being denied, and a lot of things. And I keep on researching and keep on looking for updates concerning that because it's been a lot, guys. I've come here several times to update you all about this. So, yesterday, being the 3rd of July, a new article released by the Home Office itself has just been published. And this particular article faces and concerns only those looking to come into the UK with the Health and Care Visa, and even those in the UK with the Health and Care Visa. It's no longer news that most of you already know that people who are here with the Health and Care Visa are finding it extremely difficult to even get a shift. Like, people are pleading, a lot of people are in my email pleading, asking me, Clara, do you know any company that could give me shifts in the healthcare sector? Do you know where I could switch care visa? Or the company that brought me, they've not been able to give me shift. Guys, it's so sad to hear this. It's so sad to hear this because most people have been left to the mercies of these employers. Now, like I said, the Home Office has already known about this. They've gotten to hear about this. But what is our business for today is about those who are looking to come into the UK. I know most of you must have gone ahead to write your UK via IELTS. Most of you must have gone ahead to volunteer. Most of you have obtained a lot of certificates whereby you paid some certain amount of money just to get this care certificate to attach to your CV so you can start applying for this job. But I'm sorry to tell you today that this care job in the UK is no longer viable. It's no longer viable, and this article just confirms it. As you can tell from my channel, I've been so slow about putting care jobs with sponsorship on this channel because of what is happening. Okay, like I say, it's not about applying for this job or getting this job to the UK. It's when you come to the UK, what are you going to be doing? How are you going to pay your bills when no shift will be given to you? And even at that, most people pay for this COS. They get to the entry point, they are being denied from entering because of a lot of mistakes that have been implemented through the care visa application. So this article says, I'll be leaving it on the screen so you can see. It says the group of Tory MPs is piling pressure on Rishi Sunak to reduce immigration to the UK. What does this mean? This means that the MPs now, it's like a board of MPs where they deliberate on immigration matter. They're putting a lot of pressure on the Prime Minister himself to reduce immigration in the UK. Firstly, it started with the student visa and independent. Now, they've talked about that, they've deliberated about that, they've implemented law about that. Now, their focus is on the care visa and they're seriously doing something about this. Guys, if you're applying for this care job, honestly, I would advise you to take a chill. When I mean take a chill, that is, look out for every other opportunities outside of UK. I've talked to some people on a one-on-one section where they kept telling me they've done everything for almost a year, for months to get a job in the UK, but it seems like it's not happening. Guys, the UK is not the only country. I know the UK comes with a lot of benefits, especially that it's a very good route to migrate with your family, mostly with the care visa. But now, we say start looking into other countries. Reason why I try my best to come here, bring other job updates from Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and a lot. But it's like most of you don't like those videos. All your mind is set to UK, UK, UK. See, one thing I've also come to understand is that the UK immigration there is not stable. It's not stable. They implemented this care visa, but they could as well one day just wake up and say, oh, we don't want you guys again. Don't come again. No more care visa. This and that, this and that. And it has already started. It has already started. Look at what was just published. I was totally gutted to read this article. I was totally gutted. Like, I sat down and I was asking myself, okay, so what is this? You guys brought us into the country. We developed your economy. We've, picked up shifts, working so hard. Now it's like, oh, we coming has now become a problem, or maybe you guys have gotten the amount of staff you need to fill up this occupation. Now you no longer want us. Guys, this is so sad. Now, if you've already gotten a job offer, maybe you've already gotten a company to sponsor you, and you are waiting to apply for your visa, guys, don't wait. Start applying for your visa immediately. Once you have your COS, as long as you have your COS, the reference number, go and apply for your visa immediately. provided or not, if you've given a start date or not, go. As long as that company has given you the COS, go and apply for that care visa immediately. Guys, before I go, I just want to beg you guys, put your mind elsewhere. I'm not saying that, oh, the UK has finally stopped it. No. But what I'm saying is that anything can happen at any time. This just shows you, this article was released yesterday, 3rd of July, 11 p.m. So what does this mean? I don't want a situation where you've done everything, all your eggs are into the UK care visa basket. You've done everything, spent a lot of money getting your police clearance, this and that, and at the long run, maybe a few weeks from now, they said, oh, you can no longer go. What would you do? Is it that your immigration plans will just come to an halt? Canada has given us a lot of opportunity. The way the UK government are deliberated, they no longer want people. Canada is looking for people. In fact, they are even making different schemes whereby people could come into their country with their family on a family visa, on a family permit. And now this only affects the care workers. This article only talk about the care workers. I don't know about every other visa, like maybe the skilled worker visa. I don't know about that. I don't know about any other companies, like maybe if you're coming to the UK to do, should I say, an electronical job, engineering job. I don't know about that. But this is talking about the care visa. And I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised because if I am, maybe I sit on the authority of implementing rules about the immigration. With the way people are carrying out this whole care visa stuff, come and buy COS, do this one, give people money, do this one. I think even me myself, I'll be looking on how to reduce that. So guys, this is a very quick update. The link to read this will be in the description box. After reading this, know for yourself if you want to continue. If you don't want to continue, that is still up to you. But me, I would say, like I do say, please spread your wings. Spread your wings. Spread your wings, okay? Spread your wings. The UK is not a do or die affair. You must have invested a lot into this relocation plan to the UK, but please start looking elsewhere. Start looking elsewhere. Most people now will say, Clara, why are you talking about immigration? Why are you encouraging people to migrate? It means that immigration is a big part of everyone's life. Everybody all around the world immigrates. Everybody, be it Africans, be it Asians, be it anybody. Immigration is part of our lives, So, guys, it's sad. It's sad. I was saying to someone, a colleague of mine, that this whole UK healthcare job has even tired me. You guys could even tell. Unlike before, whereby every week I post about three different videos on care job updates. But now I'm just so reluctant to even post because I feel like I'm deceiving myself, because it's not even about getting this job or coming here to post this job for people to get this job. Is what comes after they get this job. Is if they get this job, would they be able to arrive into the UK when they get to the entry border, or when they arrive into the UK, would they be able to get a shift? And when they come here, they'll be like, "Oh, Clara, we never know this was that." And I was speaking to a man yesterday on a one-on-one session. I was almost crying. This man sold everything, closed down his business just to come here, thinking they're coming here to work with the care visa, but no shift for this man. Oh. No shift. I'm not even hiding today. I'm not even hiding or forming. I'm saying it as it is. If you, maybe from this video, you start disliking my videos or something. The man is so sad. He was like, Clara, what would you do? I said, I don't even know, because me, myself, I don't give job. Me, myself, I don't apply for visas for people. So I said, I don't know what to do, sir. I don't know what you're going to do, sir, other than to pray for you. Guys, I beg. Let's start looking. In fact, if you have your UK visa and the rest, IELTS, start looking into other occupations. It's not a must. It must be the care visa. It's not a must. Start looking into other occupations. There are other occupations sponsoring with visa sponsorship. There are other occupations. That's the truth. And going forward, I'll be looking for such occupations aside the UK health and care visa, because the UK care job has really, it has tired me, honestly, guys.